I'll get you back.
You're too slow. You're just too slow.
So that pops up. Do we have 3 more couples? Good evening. Glad to see all of you. Thanks for having good weather. I was expecting to see sort of about 3 foot of snow on the ground, but I'm glad it didn't. Okay, first half hour's plus. Here we go. The music will change. Hey, you're gonna bound to the partner. And the corner's on. Circle of the let's go round. Do an Allen and left. All 8 spin your top. All 8 spin your top. And right and left grand. Gonna meet your partner, promenade home. Head couple square through 4. Both hands single circle to an ocean wave. The boys trade, girls fold to your top. And right and left through. Put her in the lead for a Dixie style to an ocean wave. Boys in the middle, boys trade. Take a peek and trade the wave. Explode, and right and left through. Touch 1/4. Coordinate. Bend the line. Pass through. Bend the line. Do the right and left through. Hi, Lonnie. How are you? Pass through, partner trade, and roll, and a right and left round. Meet your partner, promenade home. Now in your home, 4 ladies chain 3/4. Side couples. Side couples pass the ocean. Ping pong circulate. Ping pong circulate. Extend your ping. Ladies trade. Relay in the deuces. Do a linear cycle. Boys walk, girls dodge. Boys run around the girl. Do the right and left through. Pass through. Wheel and deal. Spread. Star through. Double pass through. Track 2. Spin chain and exchange. Your gears, follow that leader. She knows exactly where she's going. Swing through. AC-doocy. Boys run around that girl. Bend the line. 8 to the middle, left back. Star through. Pass through. Guess who? Left alley back. And right left round. Meet your partner, promenade home. Now in your home, head 2 to the right, left through. Same head, star through. Double pass through. Put the centers in, cast off 3/4. Pass through, hang on to hands, do a wheel and deal with the girls in the middle. Girls step to a wave and center girl will trade. Ping pong circulate. Trade out there, girls. Ping pong circulate. You got to trade out there, boys. Girls extend to a boy who looks confused. Single hinge. Boys trade. Boys run around that girl. And the girls hinge. Diamond circulate. Flip your diamond, fan the top. And away and left through. Load the boat. When you meet your partner, slide through and roll to face on the right and left grab. When you meet your partner, you should be awfully close. Last one. Sides to the right and left through. Head couples touch a quarter. That boy run around that girl. Touch a quarter. Follow your neighbor. Spread. Ladies trade. Explode the wave. Don't forget to pull by. You're all facing out. Bend the line. You're facing in. Pass through with a wheel and deal. In the middle to the right and left through. In the middle, veer to the left. Then veer to the right. Everyone gonna veer to the right. Couples circulate. Boys trade. Bend the line. 8 to the middle and back. Star 2. Do the right and left through. Gonna veer to the left. As couples circulate one spot. And you bend the line. Let's pass through. You do a wheel and deal. In the center, square through. When you meet your partner, slide through and back away, and you bow to the partner. Turn about your corner, you should be stirred. Well, the floor stayed down, didn't come up. They said that this isn't glued down, it's just snapped together. Wow. Nice floor. Oh, as long as you don't know. 4 ladies promenade, go rolling down the ring. Back home you swing and you whirl. Hey, you gonna join a band, you lick your ring and circle the let go round. Do now and let the music ring. Another Saturday night and I ain't got nobody. Swing your lady, then you all promise day. How I wish I had someone to talk with. I'm in an awful way. Head square through 4. And a right and left through. Veer to the left. Ladies hinge. Diamond circulate. Flip your diamond, ladies trade. Linear cycle. Slide through the corner swing. You take her hand and promenade, go round the ring. How I wish I had someone to talk with. I'm in an awful way. Head couples lead to the right, circle to a line. And a right left through. I've never seen it done like that before. Touch a quarter. Coordinate. Bend the line. Star through. Pass through and trade by. Swing your corner, then you all promise day. How I wish I had someone to talk with. I'm in an awful way. I do an Alabama left in the Alamo style. You balance out of swing through, go forward 2, and you balance there again. Swing through, go forward 2, and turn your partner right. Do an Alabama left and wing the rain. Another Saturday night and I ain't got nobody. Swing your lady, then you all promise me. How I wish I had someone to talk with. I'm in an awful way. Side couples promenade halfway. Walking in square through 2 hands. Meet your corner, slide through, go line. 8 to the middle and back. Pass through. Bend the line, load the boat. Swing your corner, then you all promise me. How I wish I had someone to talk with. I'm in an awful way. Side square through 4. Step to an ocean wave. Relay the Lucy. Do a linear cycle. Slide through, swing your corner, promenade. How I wish I had someone to talk with. I'm in an awful way. Walk around your corner. Turn your partner left. Head ladies, center teacup chain. And as usual, the boys are doing all the work. But the girls are supervising, of course. Like always. Do an element lift with the corner. Come back and box the net. Pull your partner by. Then you bow to your corner. Turn it bow to your partner. Give yourself a bounce hand. Good job. Nice dancing. Take a little break, cool off.